How are you? And how you people are doing? Hope you all are doing well. It's a big honor to teach you all in this crucial time where the spread of this virus, actually the community spread, has been completely devastated our life. So let's enjoy watching the videos from our channel, that is School on Fingertip. I am Mithun Raut, will be guiding you for a little more about reading today. So what this reading is exactly? This is to know the sound, to listen to it, and to pursue what is exactly written. That is what we read. So for this you need to learn what the letters are and how to make their sound. So exactly this reading includes sounds. So we will see today sound of A. You all know that every word has vowels in them, in it. Why these vowels? Because without vowel there won't be any word. Maybe there is a semi vowel like Y in sky, right? But there will be anyhow a vowel, like only one shade of this A we will see, or only one aspect, that is A sounds A. So for this we will see a few words, two letter words or three letter words. Let us see the first word, that is AM. We all know the sound of M is mm. You have to close your mouth and you have to pass the air from your stomach through your nose, then it will become mm. And the sound of A is ah. So this will become am. Then the second word we will take, that is A N. A says a and N says n. That is an. Yes. Then the next word is A S. You all know S and its sound is s. It's like hiss, how a snake makes noise, or its cry is, that is s, right? Then the next is A T. The sound of T is t, and A's sound you all know, that is a. Like this it will become at. At. We have seen these four words now. These are two letter words: A M am, A N an, A S as, and A T at. Let us see now, related to these sounds there will be a little more words. Those will be three letter words. We will see them one by one. See, we will see which include AM. So that will become now, let's see, dam. DAM. The sound of D is D. The sound of A is A, and M's we all know already. So like this it will become dam. Then the next one is RAM. The sound of R is R. R. So it's like starting a bike, like R. And am, ram. Like this it will become ram. Then the sound of S you all know, SAM, that is sa a m, Sam. Then JAM, J a m, jam. Then the next word is HAM. The sound of H is a m, ham. Then ma'am. Like this it will become ma'am. Let us see the next now. VAN. V says V. That's a labiodental consonant. In this consonant, to utter this, we have to join our upper teeth to our lower lip, and then we have to suddenly take the air out of our mouth. That will become V. V. So that is VAN, van. Then CAN, can. C consonant has more another one sound, so that will be covering up. We will cover up that one later. But right now we will see only one aspect, that is C says k, and this and like this this letter will become an a part of this CAN, an, k, a, no, can. Then RAN, the sound of R you all know already, ran. Then PAN, the sound of P is like opening the bottles, like how the when we open the lid of any bottle, then how the sound becomes p, p. So it's completely a labial consonant. We have to join our both lips, and then we have to suddenly open the lips by the force of air through our mouth. Like this it will become p, pan, pan. Then FAN, F is also a labiodental. So for uttering this F, we have to join our upper teeth to our lower lip, and then uh, we have to say that one. See now, F says f, F says f, and an in that one, so that will become fan. Yes, MAN, man. Then HAS, her, as, has. Then GAS, as, gas. VAS, as, fast. We will see now the words related to at. HAT, her, at, hat. Then at, fat. Then BAT, at, bat. RAT, at, rat. Then CAT, at, cat. Then MAT, at, mat. Then SAT, at, sat. Then PAT, at, pat. Then TAT, at, tat. Let us see more three letter words now. DAD, dad. Then SAD, sad. Then BAD, bad. HAD, had. PAD, pad. MAD, mad. FAD, fad. Then MAP, map. GAP, gap. Then TAP, tap. Then cap. Then lap. Rap. Then sap. Tag. Then nag. Bag. Dag. Rag. Then jag. Then gag. Then PAL. Here in this last line we will see random words where where we will see consonants which are mixed up, like there will be at the last P, G, D, C or V. So let us see the word PAL. P is like I have told you already, that is P, like opening the bottle. When it's make what sound does it make? Like that it will become PAL, pal. MAC, Mac. VAC, vac, vac. SAC, sack, sack. LAB, lab, lab. TAB, tab, tab. Then CAB, cab, cab. Now we will see 3 and 4 letter words where there will be the combination of vowel, consonant and vowel, like how it is in ATE. So this ATE, here the first is vowel, then T is consonant and E is vowel. So wherever the vowel, consonant and vowel, like this combination will be there, the sound of A will differ. Like how it will become? It will become A. Here sound of A will be A, a little longer, like A, and a little aroma of E in that. So ATE will become eight. Then APE will become ape. Then ALE is ale. Then ACE is ace. See, we will see 4 letter words now related to this vowel, consonant and vowel, which include the sound of A and consonant and at the last E. So DATE is date. LATE is late. GATE, gate. RATE, rate. BATE, bait. MATE, mate. Let us see the next one now. CAPE, cape. TAPE, tape. NAPE, nape. GAPE, gape. JAPE, jape. RAPE, rape. Then see ALE words. MALE, ale, male. PALE, pale, pale. TALE, tail. SALE, ale, sail. GALE, gale, gale. HALE, ale, hail. Let us see the ACE words, 4 letter words. RACE, res. PACE, pes. DACE, des. LACE, less. MACE, mess. Then FACE, face. So vowel, consonant, vowel. In this combination we will see more 4 letter words. FACE, sorry, FAKE, fake. WAKE, wake. Here see, I want to confirm you once again about w and v. The letter V is labiodental, I have told you, where we have to join your upper teeth to your lower lip, and for uttering this W you have to make the pout of your mouth when you take selfie. And at that time, how you make your mouth for selfie? Like that you have to make your mouth to utter this W. W. you have to make it round. W. W says W. So here the letter word W and then A K E. Wake. It will become wake. See then SAKE. Ache. Sake. RAKE. 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 CAKE. Cake. BAKE. Bake. MAKE. Make. Then see MADE. Aid. Made. FADE. Aid. Fade. VADE. Aid. Vade. LADE. Laid. JADE. Jade. YADE. Yade. Then WADE. Wade. See now next. HARE. Hair. MARE. Mare. See here another sound is mixed with vowel A and E. We have already seen A and E, and in the middle there will be a consonant. Here how it was made, it was there. Made, we can't say, it is made. And HARE. Hair. MARE. Mare. Here the sound of A is A, and a little aroma in that is of O. Likewise it will become hair, mare, rare, tear, BARE. Bear. FARE. Fair. DARE. Dare. Because the sound of R has a little sense of in that. That is why it becomes So it will become a like likewise. HARE. Like hair, right? SAVE. Here this will become same like how it was in A and E in middle consonant, like AE. Save. 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 GAVE. Gave. RAVE. Rave. PAVE. Pave. WAVE. Wave. CAVE. Cave. And DAVE. Dave. So did you understand RE and VE or DE and KE? Likewise how they change. So for today so much is enough. Thank you so much